Hey everybody, today on PincheAls Garage we're going to do a quick flyby of our big turbo 1.8T that we all built together, and I'll give you guys a description of everything that we've done. So here you go. So stay tuned because this is PincheAls Garage. Boom! So on our big turbo 1.8T, we are using an SPA turbo AR63. We did a full custom downpipe from RPM. They also did a full fab job on our intercooler here. This is all 2.5-inch piping. And I did everything on one side. I wanted to do something a little different than what most people don't do. We fully did copper lines for all the vacuum all the vacuum ports, so you guys can see how we route those. Came out pretty nice. Hand polished, pretty easy to polish copper. And did a full blow-off valve from TurboSmart. Integrated engineering intake manifold. We also did integrated engineering drop-in rods. Full 3-inch inlet. 2.5-inch outlet. We did the oil catch can. We did a full delete on mostly everything that's smog on the system. We did a very basic wire management in the car. Not a wire tuck, but more wire management, just to clean the bay up. Next year we're going to do a full wire tuck on the car to clean everything up. But that's none of my big priorities right now. Right now it's just getting the car running. We're about to make 400 to 450 horsepower with this setup, and it's designed to be a daily car, not a race car. We're supposed to daily this. So thanks for watching. This is just a quick drive-by of our 1.8T that we all built together. Thanks again, and stay tuned because we're going to turn this guy on, we're going to drive it, we're going to break it in, and then we're going to do dyno and then see what we make actually with this car.